Join us as we take on the challenge of diving into the deep sea and see if we can handle the pressure down there. The deep sea is a world of extremes, where the pressure is so intense it can crush anything that tries to explore it. This pressure is what makes the deep sea such a hostile environment, yet it's also what makes it so fascinating. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to dive into the deepest parts of the ocean? It's not just dark and cold, it's a world of crushing pressure. As you descend deeper into the ocean, the pressure around you increases dramatically. For every 10 meters, or about 33 feet you go down, the pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on Earth, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's enough to crush a standard submarine like a soda can. So how do humans survive such intense conditions? Divers can only descend so far. Deep-sea diving requires special gas mixtures and strict safety measures. Go too deep or too fast and your lungs can collapse. Stay too long, and nitrogen builds up in your blood, leading to the bends or even nitrogen narcosis, a condition that makes divers feel confused, euphoric, or reckless. That's where submersibles come in. These are specially engineered vessels designed to withstand enormous underwater pressure. Built from materials like titanium and steel, they have thick spherical hulls that distribute pressure evenly. But even submersibles have their limits. One design flaw, one crack, and the pressure will do what it always does: crush everything in its path. Yet there's one group that doesn't seem bothered by any of this: deep-sea creatures. From the gelatinous blobfish to the terrifying anglerfish, these animals have evolved to survive where humans and machines struggle. Many of them have soft, squishy bodies that compress easily under pressure, avoiding internal stress. Others, like the giant squid, have massive eyes adapted to the pitch black and bodies designed to glide silently through the crushing depths. Even more amazing are the creatures that live near hydrothermal vents, underwater hot springs that gush scalding, mineral-rich water. These ecosystems are completely cut off from sunlight and thrive in extreme pressure and heat. Organisms here rely on chemosynthesis instead of photosynthesis to survive, proof that life can find a way in even the harshest environments. Exploring the deep sea is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a voyage into a realm as alien as any distant planet. With each dive, we learn more about Earth's secrets, and maybe, just maybe, get a glimpse of what life could look like elsewhere in the universe. So next time you think about outer space, remember, the deepest, darkest frontier might be right here on Earth, beneath the waves. If you've enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps the channel. Be sure to check out our next one, where we'll be exploring more of the wonders of the ocean and the creatures that call it home. Let us know in the comments what you think about deep-sea exploration and what you'd like to see next.